want video me so? Yo, who you? Who you, my boss? I'm police? Yeah, cops? Alright, daddy. I'll give you a...
Oh, what him name? What him name?
His name Pat.
Pat?
Yeah. Yeah, a Pat in him.
Oh, jeez, in a road, man. I indicated that.
Yeah. Alright, sir.
Big up yourself. So, what him carry? What him carry?
He can load.
Eh?
Sandstone, grab everything you want for the do.
Eh, so much you carry out some gravel or stone. What you charge?
Charge?
Hmm.
Me that man, me a dear man, you know.
Eh, so
30, 40, 100, anything you have.
Eh?
Yes.
100,000?
Yes. If enough you have, if you have black sand,
Eh?
yes.
What him name again?
His name Pat.
Pat.
Yes.
It's a good donkey. How much now?
But this a donkey have a hole, in the hole, you have a hole in 10, 11.
Okay.
Mm.
You have him from him young?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. What name?
His name Pat.
You.
My name Joe.
Joe?
Yes.
Ah, you're a donkey. You name that name, say, hold him Joe?
Yes, yeah, man.
Okay,
Alright,
respect.
Alright, daddy. Yeah, daddy. So, man, so we did. I thought we did that thing, yeah.